There's an egg in the garden, all blue and red.
Go!
Everyone's wondering about what is in it. Becky says it could be a magical rabbit. Magic egg, pink and blue, oh, it is in it. Me, oh my, what a mystery. Egg in the garden, think it might open up, soon you can hear it. Egg in the garden, think it might open up, soon.
Go!
Becky's so sure it will be a rabbit. Got herself a carrot and she's waiting for it. Billy says it could be a dino hatchet. Giving up his Taylor 'cause he's waiting on it. Me, oh my, what a mystery. Egg in the garden, think it might open up, soon you can hear it. Egg in the garden, think it might open up, soon.
Go!
Oh my, what a mystery. Egg in the garden, think it might open up, so you can hear it. Egg in the garden, think it might open up,
Go!
There's an egg in the garden, here comes Becky's rabbit. And Billy's dinosaur, and they're with something. Here are so many others from all other gardens.
Go!
Magic egg, pink and blue, holding all our friends.
Go!
There's an egg in the garden, all blue and red. Everyone's wondering about what is in it. Becky says it could be a magical rabbit.
Go!
Magic egg, pink and blue, oh, what is in it? Me, oh my, what a mystery. Egg in the garden, think it might open up soon. You can hear it. Egg in the garden, think it might open up soon. Becky's so sure it will be a rabbit. Got herself a carrot and she's waiting for it. Billy says it could be a dino hatchet. Giving up his skillet 'cause he's waiting on it. Me, oh my, what a mystery. Egg in the garden, think it might open up soon. You can hear it. Egg in the garden,
Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Tell us what animals you'd like to see next.